Good morning, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2008 Cadillac DTS Superior Statesman. This vehicle only has 35,000 miles. Up here in the front we have flag mounts already on the vehicle. We also have four-way clear strobes. So this has two-way clear in the headlights, they're cut into the headlights, and then two-way clear in the side marker lights. They all fire off of one switch. The DTS chassis was a certified commercial chassis for 2006 to 2011. It has upgraded brakes, upgraded chrome rims, upgraded tires to add to the, or basically support the added weight of the conversion. As you can see, black on black with silver stripe, black tuxedo top, full top, no crown band, very classic look for a 2008 coach. Superior Statesmans were extremely popular back in 2008. Black interior, black canyon floor. It does have a closed church truck well, so there's no door here to flip up. I know we talk about that very often. You do have an umbrella storage area on the right there, or for anything else you'd like to store. It is a carpeted well, not a stainless well, so just watch out with water down there. Plenty of room to slide the church truck in horizontally underneath that casket floor. As you can see, black, like a faux leather door card here with the carpet below. Very traditional setup. Two chrome funeral home nameplate holders right there on the door itself. Once again, that beautiful silver stripe. Superior does a nice thing. This is a full stainless plate. It kind of shows off their logo there with their signature Landau bar. Open up the rear low door here. Pops open real quick. You do have that black canyon floor. Two 90-degree rollers here with a stainless sill plate. As you can see, we have not touched this vehicle yet from the customer, so if you see any marks on it, those will be addressed, especially with only 35,000 miles. But you can see the sill plate is in actually really nice shape. Most of these get gouged out or dented. There's only a few dents on this side, which not a big deal at all. 2008, you do get these two bumper lights on the bumperettes. The bumperettes do have caps on them, so they do protected from the painted surface, along with a step pad. That is all in an effort to protect this rear bumper. As you walk the casket in with the church truck, it often gets hit with the church truck. These two lights are really nice. They kick on when you open the low door, as you saw, along with kicking on the rear taillights, just trying to illuminate this rear cabin here. But all black, gray drapes are like a lighter tannish gray. It's a cross in between a tan and a gray. Very popular from Superior. You do get the quick adjust beer pin. It's stored on the left there. Obviously the button on top, you press that, you can slide it in and out. It's a nice way to be able to quickly secure the casket in. So you push this top button down, you can slide it in and out and then tighten it down. Just a nice feature to have. The majority of the coaches we sell today have that feature built in, but I always like to mention it. 10 roller floor with those two 90 degrees on the front side there, just to aid you on the transition with the casket. Moving to the driver's side, once again, that black exterior paint with the black tuxedo vinyl top. Vinyl top is in really nice shape. There's no tips, there's no rips and no tears throughout the entire vehicle, which is surprising for 2008. Most of these vehicles had a interesting life when it comes to vinyl tops, and this one's actually in really nice shape. Black canyon floor again. Once again, you do have the closed off door here. A lot of customers like this, a lot of customers hate this. I think it looks nice for presentation. However, it is somewhat annoying to put that door on top of the casket table every time you have to get in here. But you can see full-size spare tire. It is matching for the vehicle, so it's a chrome rim, direct matching replacement. Be able to put this on in the morning of a funeral, and the car won't look any different. All your tools, jack, and everything are in the left there in that little cubby hole. That is the back side of the umbrella tray that we mentioned on the passenger side. Putting this nice carpeted door back in, there's a little slot in the right. Go ahead and slot that right in. Overall, door panel is really nice. There's no rust or anything on the body. Even though this is a steel door, not a composite door, Superior was known for that. They didn't build a composite door. Still no corrosion or anything. Very clean car overall. In only 35,000 miles. So that's less than 3,500 miles a year. So this coach was barely even driven. Black interior in the front. Black leather seats, full power, driver and passenger. Let's jump inside and talk about a few more features. Sitting inside this 2008 Cadillac DTS Superior Statesman, black leather wrapped steering wheel. It does have a manual telescoping column, very standard on a DTS. Once again, those beautiful black leather seats with a black center console. Nice little cup holder down here to hold your drink as you're driving. Power passenger and power driver seats. You do have automatic headlights in this vehicle, cruise controls on your left, media controls are on your right. Infotainment wise, you have AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, CD player as you can see in the center here, and then an auxiliary jack to be able to plug your phone in to play music. It does not have Bluetooth, and there's no USBs in this vehicle to charge your phone. However, you can add a cigarette light charger down there if you'd like to charge your phone as well. We're back in 2008, so unfortunately those features don't come until 2013 on the XTS chassis. Dual zone climate control here. You do have an auto mode, so you can kick it and set it to a temperature on the dash here. Really nice to have. You don't have to even think about it. It's just always preset when you get into the car. Those four-way clear strobes we mentioned in the front grille, or sorry, in the front headlights and the lower marker lights. The switch for that is right over your left knee for the driver, nice tucked away. You'd never know it's here until you need it. As you know, traditionally they're placed up here. However, this customer put them down here on the left. But overall, 35,000 miles on this vehicle. The carpet is in fantastic shape. There's no wear in the driver compartment whatsoever. There's not even wear on the center console here, and almost every person rested their arm on this, and it looks brand new. So very impressed on the overall condition on this 2008. Thank you very much for checking out this 2008 Cadillac DTS Superior Statesman. Once again, this vehicle only has 35,000 miles. It's front-wheel drive, built on the Cadillac DTS commercial chassis. Four-way clear strobes at the front end, flag mounts, that beautiful black canyon floor with the black interior. Overall, a stunning 2008 Cadillac DTS. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, please give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parksuperior.com, where you can see 80+ photos of this vehicle, a walk around, and a beautiful demo. Once again, thank you very much.